Okay, this is Christmas Eve, Christmas 1991. What's that button? Oh, dang time.
Are you going to keep them closed?
Yeah.
Keep them closed. Are you keeping them closed? Stay right there. Are you having them closed?
Mm-hmm.
Just tell him when.
Okay.
Open
Yeah.
your eyes.
They're open.
Now you could go in. What is it? Huh?
Wait a minute. Did you know I didn't have so much fun in my life?
Hey, Michael, what's that? Michael, what's that? See this? That makes that the food come to you.
I
How much do the grapes weigh?
Oh, whoops. That's what. Grandma forgot to put the credit card away.
know. What is this?
Excuse me,
That's-
sir. Excuse me.
Whoa, Captain.
You're knocking all the food down. Do you have any doggy biscuits? I didn't see them out here on your shelf.
Yes, I do.
Oh, thank you.
Did you know?
And this is your frozen departments right here? Oh, I see. Waffles. Yes, just what I was looking for. Thank you, sir.
Dear, do they have any pizza?
Yeah, did you want some pizza?
Sure.
Okay. Here we go. Okay. Put your motor on. Okay, now run it through. Now pick it up and run it through the thing so it could register. Run it through here like that so the register.
See, when the light clicks, it registers. There, easy.
Okay, now you put it there.
Easy.
How much is your eggs today?
No. How much? They're not on sale.
Okay, I'll still take them. Go ahead.
Okay.
Say 59 cents.
59 cents though. Wait a minute.
Be careful, don't crack my eggs.
Wait.
Now, shouldn't he weigh those?
Wanna know where?
No, I'll take the grapes too. Yeah, you have to weigh the fruit.
Wait a minute.
You have to
And
weigh
you
the
can
fruit.
put
Yeah.
the food in my basket. Now you got to press in the number, how much it is. Just leave them like that. It could be laying down.
Can you see what that says? 3 pounds.
3 pounds.
So where's the 3 on here? Put 3 pounds.
Boy, that sure is an awful heavy pear.
Hey. Wait.
I think everything weighs 3 pounds. Ooh, 4 pounds on the grapes. Where's the 4?
Okay, now bag it.
Credit card.
Okay, here's your
She's
money.
gonna put it on her account.
Here's your money.
Oh, she got money today.
Wait a minute. I'm supposed to do it.
Hey, take your hands out of there.
Hey, you!
Get out! I can't buy groceries without money. You need some money, honey.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Total. This is the total button right there. Should I tell her how much? 60, 55. 6055.
6055.
60, 55.
Whoops. I need to use my credit card.
Wait, let her get the credit card.
Give me some of that money. Can't go shopping without money. Thank you.
Okay, say 60, 55, please.
6055, please.
That'll be charged today.
Watch, credit card. Watch this. You see this? It says insert card right here. You slide this in, it says paid. And it's on her account.
Yeah, I have
Then you
my
give her her
card,
card
please.
back.
Thank you. Oh, I forgot. I would like to have this candy bar. Can you tell me how much that's going to be? Oh, it's through there.
Gotta zap it first.
What?
You got to push it so it could coat it. Okay. How much?
50 cents.
Okay. Thank you.
Don't push on this too hard, Kate, because it's only a little plastic.
Well, dear, I got our breakfast, our doggy food, and our dinner. Pizza, chocolate milk, and waffles for breakfast and eggs.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Thank you, sir.
You're
Bye.
welcome.
Have a
Bye.
nice day.
What does this do? Man, I'm freezing down here.
Now this is lots of presents. Look at how much stuff you've got down here. Lots of presents.
That's
huh?
another little cash register.
That's for when you get real busy and you have some help.
You have two people. Which one do you like the cash register?
You need to take this mom and write the number and write total. Can I ring the next person up?
You want to buy some groceries now? Here's the
You
money.
buy some groceries
No,
and I'll ring
no.
them up?
Nah, we'll both ring them up.
You don't want to pick no groceries?
He likes ringing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Are you
Mom.
ready to go upstairs now?
No.
Oh. Darn. You stop
Sit
taking
down.
pictures of me. I look ugly.
Whoa, drop. And you know what? You know what people that work in stores have to do?
What?
They have to straighten all the shelves. They have to make sure everything's straight and not play with the cash register.
No.
Oh, I think I want some milk and cookies. Honey, you want vanilla wafers or graham crackers?
I like graham crackers.
But you came to me instead.
Well, would you like to have some beef chow mein for dinner?
Sure, that sounds.
Or chili?
Yeah, some beef chow mein tonight.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
Hi. total?
Hit the total button.
Right here?
Whoops. See, don't hit that one too hard. So it pops out. Okay, about $3.25.
$3.25.
Okay, take it out of 5. I got the extra change over here. Open it. Okay, wait a second. We gotta give her change. That was $5, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So 25. Let's see what else we got in here. 75. There's $4. And $5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tell me to have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank
and
you.
have a happy Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you. I sure
To
will.
here.
Well, dear, we got chow mein, and then for our dessert, we got graham crackers and milk. Yum, yum. Ooh, they have recipes on the back.
Oh, you want some chili?
Sure, that sounds good.
Okay.
I have hot dogs with chili.
Yeah, hot dogs and chili sounds good to me. You want some chicken noodle soup
Ooh, yeah.
or turkey noodle?
Chicken noodle.
Chicken noodle. Okay. And they also got vegetarian bean too. And they also got chicken and dumpling. How about some applesauce or peaches or fruit cocktail or pineapple?
Fruit cocktail.
Okay.
Okay, watch.
You want some Cheez-Its or wheat thins or wheat wafers or vanilla wafers?
Push total button, push it over here, okay?
High hose?
Cheez-Its.
You
You
can
want
use
some
that or
Cheez-Its?
this button right here, okay?
Milk or orange juice or soda?
Soda.
How's our eggs? We need eggs?
No.
No eggs?
How about a banana though?
A banana? Okay.
And a lemon or lime.
Well, let's see. All right, how about mine? How about, let's see, apple or grapes?
Grapes.
Grapes. Okay. Do we need butter?
Oh yeah, good thing you mentioned it. Yes, we do. Okay, that's all.
Okay. And we'll start.
Hi.
Hi, how are you today?
Here, what you have to do is just barely touch it on that, okay? Okay? Not slide it across, just kind of it down a little, makes it easier. Ooh, they're getting ketchup.
You weigh the meat today?
Need to get him some paper.
Hmm.
Okay, that's a 2, so push 2 on here.
Stick it.
You gotta press on it, yes. Okay, you don't have to zap it now. You punched it in, remember?
Okay. Lime.
And the lime is just 20 cents, so you can just push 2 over here.
She doesn't have to weigh.
Yeah. Okay, that's a 2.5.
Okay, how much do I owe you today?
2, 7. Wait a minute. And a 5. 5707.
5707.
Please.
Well, I don't have enough money here, I don't think. I guess I'm going to have to put it on my charge card today. How about some chocolate milk?
Okay. Hey, I already got us some chocolate milk.
Oh,
No, wait, then I got us this.
that's orange.
I got us orange milk.
Well, you need orange juice too. That box you just put back, that's
Yeah,
orange juice.
juice. And we need butter. No, right down there by your hand. Towards the back.
Towards the back.
The
Right in
yellow.
front of you.
Yellow?
Yellow is butter, yeah. That's butter and cheese there.
Yeah, that's butter in the back and cheese in the front.
Okay.
Now, how about some Jello?
Jello. Jello.
Jello is up. Next shelf up. On the left.
Right here?
No. Yeah.
Up there?
No.
Up there?
No.
No,
Right here?
stand up. On the left.
Okay. I'm getting us lots of stuff. Hi, Mom. Hi, Papa.
Yeah.
Let's get some of this milk.
Okay. Well, don't you think you need to get some canned goods now?
Cans?
Yeah. What do you got there? What is that?
Chili.
Chili.
Chili. Okay. Do we need ketchup?
Do we? Do we?
That's tomato paste.
Who's? Oh yeah, ketchup.
Well, let's see. Do we need any fruit or anything? Applesauce?
Applesauce.
Canned
Where's
stuff
applesauce?
on the top shelf.
Top shelf on the right. No, on the right.
That's applesauce. No, it isn't.
On the motts on the very end.
Way on the end. There you go.
Applesauce.
Do we need some manwich?
Manwich.
Yeah.
What here?
Huh?
Right here?
No. Manwich is right up here. The third can from the left. See the two chow mains?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
That's
no.
chow mein.
Next one. Next
No,
one.
that's chow mein.
This is chili.
That's manwich.
That's manwich.
Can I interest you in some? Let's see. Some frozen waffles?
Thank you.
Oh, pizza. I know Michael likes pizza.
I'll get some pizza. I'll get this.
What is that?
I don't know.
Whoa, now you gotta straighten the shelves when we're done.
Oh, that's chicken.
And I was thinking about to give me some coffee.
I don't think they have coffee here.
Of course they do.
Let me see. That's coffee cake.
That's coffee cake.
Oh, I'll just get coffee cake.
There's breakfast cereals in here. If you come around over here, so I can help you find some breakfast cereals. Some cornflakes, maybe?
Of course. Some cornflakes.
Or some Buccaneers breakfast.
Both.
Oh, well, geez, whoops. Here, let's go. Come on over here. Is that all you're going to get today?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's enough for today.
Okay, I just need you to start putting them up here for me. Thank you. Okay, let's see. 2 pounds of hot dogs. Okay. You can put them up there faster. You can put them up there. Okay, the lime.
Get some eggs.
Let's see. 4 pounds of grapes. An apple. That's fine. They're the same price. I can weigh those at the same time. Okay, and butter. Okay, let's see the eggs. 59 cents today. And up there. Okay, let me bag this for you. Boy, you got lots of groceries today.
Of course I do.
Are you hungry?
Uh-huh.
You are.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, we gotta put the eggs, whoops,
Whoopsie.
on the very top. Because you don't want them broken by the time you get home.
Uh-uh. Because remember, Lisa, after me, it's you.
Okay, then you have to throw your groceries away. And then I'll go shopping.
Okay, after I'm done.
Okay, let's
how much will it be?
$80.07. Okay, you're gonna
Oh.
charge that today?
Yeah.
Did you need any cash back?
Mm-hmm.
How much cash back would you like?
I just don't know.
You got a hot date?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
About $10?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so we'll punch in $90.07 to give you $10 back.